Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about the multiples and factors, but that chapter was not completed. We only learned about the multiples, and today we will learn about the factors. Here, once again I recall you to what is multiples and what are the factors. Okay. Only in this chapter two things we will learn. First part is here multiples. First part is multiples and second part is factors. Okay, second part is factors. See what is the differences between multiples and factors. Both are the similar. In both we are using the table, but multiples, when I will tell you multiples, you have to find the multiples of 7, find the multiples of 5. So what you have to do? Multiples, just you have to write the table of 7. That means 7. Then 7 multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28. Just you add 7, 7, 7. Yeah, or you write the table of 7. 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 30, 21, 28, then 35, 42, like that you have to write all. 5, same way, what is the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 30 and 35. 30 and 35, like that, so on. Same way, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Is up to infinite. Again, if I will say what is the multiple of 3, then you have to write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on up to infinite. Now see, in multiples what we are doing, you are just writing the table of 7. Multiply, that means 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 3 ja 21, 28, 35. First, if I will say what are the 5 multiples, first 5 multiples of 4. What I said, first 5 multiples means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have to write the which multiples? 4 multiples of 4. Then you write 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. That is the first 5 multiples of 4, and up to infinite you can write. Then in multiples we are writing the formula, and just opposite see what we will do in factors. For finding the factors, what we have to do? Students, factors, that means in that we have to see in which table that number is come, or you can say in which number it will be totally divided, there will be no remainder. That means remainder should be 0. One example I will take here. What are the factors of 4? What are the factors of 4? So what I told you, you have to see in which table 4 will become. Right? 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4. That means in 1 it will become. Then next number is 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Yes, 2 is also factor of 4. And afterwards, what is the factors? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. No, 4 will be not come in 3 tables. So we will read the next number 4. 4 1 ja 4. And that is. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. If you will divide by 1, then remainder it will be 0. Remainder will be equal to 0. So what I told, in factors you have to see in which table it will become, or in by dividing remainder should be 0. So that are the different between the multiples and factors. In multiples you have to write the table, and in factors you have to see that particular number, what tables we will use, then what number we will use. If you will divide that given number, it remainder should be 0, or in which table it will become, that is the factors. Okay. Now already I taught you multiples. Once again I remind you here. Now see the factors. Today we will learn about the factors. Students, I hope you can easily understand what are the differences between factors and multiples. Now already I given you all the notes related to multiples, and today we will start the factors. From the simple examples we will explain you what are the factors. If I will tell you, write the factors of 6. That question is from your book. Factors of 6. What I told? Factors of 6. What is the way? We will start from the 1. 1, you know, 1 is the common number. It will become in all tables. That means 1 is, you write here 1, 1 1 1, 1 6 6. Okay. If you will divide by 6 by 1, then remainder will be 0. Then next number is 2. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6. Yes, when we will read the table 2, it will be 3 times 6 and then remainder will be 0. That means totally divided and remainder is 0. Then it will be the 2. Next number 3 1 3, 3 2 6. Yes. Then 4 1 4, 4 2 8. No. Then 5 1 5, 5 2 10. No. Then 6 1 6. 6 1 6. Okay. Then 6 1 6. Yes, it will be divisible. So what are the factors here? So factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, take the next number. Write the factors of 8. Factors of 8. Same way, what we have to do? 1 is a common number. In all tables, you easily write 1 because 1, each number is every number. All numbers are divisible by 1. Okay. Then next number is 2. 2 1 2, 2 4 8. Yes. Then next number 3. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9. No. Then next number 4. 4 1 4, 4 2 8. Yes. Then next number 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 10. No. Then next number 6. 6 1 6, 6 2 12. No. Then next number 7. 7 1 7, 7 2 14. No. Then 8. 8 1 8. Yes. So what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 are what? 1, 2, 4 and 8. That are the factors of 8. Same way we will write the factors. Students, this one is a single numbers is given here and we are finding the factors. Okay. And if I will tell you what are the common factors, that times 2 numbers will be given there and you have to find separately the factors of the given number, and after then we have to see what are the common factors in both the given number. Okay. And after finding we have to write the common factor, and after then we have to write the highest common factor. Means in factor what we have to learn, first we have to learn find factors, and after then find common factor means CF, and after then find SCF, that means highest common factor. First find the factors, second find the common factor, and third is find the SCF, means highest common factor. In factors 3 things we will learn. Find the factors, how to find. First step already over. I explain you how to find. Suppose one number is given 12. Find the factors of 12. So how to write? We have to read the table. 1 1 2 6 3 4 4 3 then again 5 no, 6 yes, 6 7 no, 8 no, 9 no, 10 11 no, then 12. That means 1 2 3 4 5 4 6 12 are the factors of 12. In that way we have to find the factors. Students, if I will give you two numbers 8 and 12. 8 and 12. And question is here, find the HCF. HCF, that means highest common factor. For finding the highest common factor, first we have to find the factor, then common factor, then at last we will get the highest common factor. Okay. So, already written the factors of 12, then we have to write the factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Is it? Yes or no? Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. After watching this, after finding the factors, that is the factors of 12 and this is the factors of 8. What we have to find? What I said, first step is find the factors, second step is to find the common factor. After finding the factors, we have to write the common factor. Common factor. Common word is, do you know about the common? That means in both that number will become 1, 1 is common in both the numbers. 2, 2 is common in both the number. 4, 4 is common in both the number. See, no more is common here. So what are the common factors? 1, 2 and 4. What are the common factors here? 1, 2 and 4. And after then you have to write the highest common factor. Highest common factors. That is SCF. Highest common factor, see 1, 2, 4. Which one number is highest here? Which number is highest? 4. So what is the answer? 4 is the highest common factor of 12 and 8. For finding the highest common factors, we have to find the factors. Afterwards, we have to find the common factor. And after then, at last, which number is greater among them, among the common factors? That is the highest common factor. Okay. Now, students, here in your book, one question is given. 3 is a factor of 8. You have to say, is it or not? Now, I explain you what is the process for finding the factors. Now, I explain you what is the process for finding the factors. Then, you tell me 3 is a, now one question I am taking from your book. 3 is a factor of 8. Student, you have to say yes or no. If yes is okay, if no, then why? Say yes or no. Yes or no. So what are the process? What are the process for finding the factors? Means the numbers must be divided by given number and remainder should be 0. Here 3 is a factor of 8. Common sense you use. Read the table of 3 and see factor 9 will be divisible by 3 or not. 3 is a 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 8, that is 8 is not divisible by 3. Then 3 is a which? What is the correct answer? No. What is the correct answer? No. 3 is not a factor of 8. Why? Because it is not divisible. Not completely divisible. Not completely divisible. Okay, simple way. Only you have to see number is completely divisible. Or once again you inside you can divide this number and see. 3 2 is 6. What remainder is here left? Remainder is 2. If remainder is left there, that means that particular number is not divisible, completely not divisible, and then if that number is not divisible, then it will be not factor of the given number. Okay, this way we have to find. If I will say you, is 6 is a factor of 36. 6 is a factor of 36. So what you have to see? Read the table of 6 and see 36 will be come or not. Otherwise you divide this number here. 6 divided 36. 6 6 are 36 minus 0 0 means remainder is 0 0. That means yes. Yes. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Yes. 6 is a 6 is a factor of 36. Yes. 6 is a factor of 36 because it is completely divisible by 6. Because it is completely divisible. Because it is completely divisible. Okay? These are the way completely divisible. So these are the way to find the given numbers are the factors of the given number or not. Okay, now which some question arise here, which number is a factor of all the number? Already I explained you कि 1 is a number which is a factor of all the given number. Okay, is there a number which is not a factor of itself? So it is a common sense. If number is a factor of itself, means 3 in the table of 3 it will become 6. Yes, it's a factor of 6. Means is there a number which is not a factor of itself? No. There is no number which is not a factor of itself. So this type of question are given in your book. In notes I will give you. Students, here I explain you how to find the factors, how to find the common factors, and how to find the highest common factors, and how to see, how to check the numbers are the given, the numbers what are the givens there is the factors or not. Okay, so now this chapter is completed, and all the solutions of these chapters I will provide you, and that answer solutions will be given in description. From there you have to write. I hope all of you are well at home. So do hard work at home, study well, stay home, stay safe.